In between designing and pouring plant stand legs, I thought it was time to start in on the guitar build. I find it is easier to keep interested if I'm not spending all of my time on a single project, especially if that project is error prone or tedious, in that I have to do the same step over and over again. The leg pour was going just fine, but I was having a tough time with that third leg. I kept making mistakes along the way as I was ramming up sand and such. Anyway, I wanted to see what a first attempt would be on this, which has a lot of undrafted cavities on both sides. Houston, we have a problem. That flask is not going to work, and I don't want to build a new one. So all sorts of things were going through my head right at this particular moment. However, it wouldn't be until bedtime that a thought occurred to me, different than what I was thinking at this moment. Instead of seeing this guitar as a solid piece with lots of cavities, what if I saw it as a bunch of layers instead? If it's a bunch of layers, I know a guy who could help me. Fellow YouTuber Heinrich's Maid is a lost foam casting machine. Heinrich's happened to be in the middle of making his series on a Lord of the Rings flail when I reached out to him with this note. I'll link his videos in the description below. Okay, so let's open this thing up and do a speed build. There were a few places that appeared to be selling the same machine online, so I went with the cheaper one, which happened to come from Walmart. The instructions amount to just a handful of pictures, so I found myself backtracking some. This seems to be common with most everything I've ordered or purchased from Harbor Freight that I've shown on this channel. I cut the video here because that wire was just out of control, and I didn't want to bore everyone with me working through the mess. Thanks a whole bunch for watching. If you found this video entertaining, informative, or any such things like that in any way, shape, or form, please like and subscribe. Blessings.